In this video, I will be talking about a very important pattern that currently is once again playing out here on the Bitcoin price action. I will be talking exactly about what this means for Bitcoin, but more importantly, I will be talking about what is about to be going down today, because today is the day where the Federal Reserve is going to be hiking interest rates once again, and I will be exactly tell to you guys out there what this means for Bitcoin right now, what kind of effects this will have on the market, and how you could prepare yourself on this news that is about to come out. So make sure to smash up the like button. On the previous video, we smashed it up over 600 likes. So can we once again do it on today's update video? Smash up the like button and let's jump straight away in towards the content. So first of all, looking at the 1 hour time frame on Bitcoin, we can clearly see we are getting a small little bounce, but on the larger time frame, on the larger picture, I should say, we can clearly see we are currently trading in that significant downtrend. As long as we're not breaking the top side of resistance, and as long as we're going to keep on forming lower highs, we are clearly trading in a downtrend. And of course, I can be looking for a trend reversal if we do break above the previous range high in the market. What is in this case going to be the 22.2k. At the same time, on the 1 hour time frame, there are some very bearish developments currently getting formed, because on the RSI, we can clearly spot, of course, the RSI is forming a clear higher high, while the price action on the market is clearly forming a lower high. So we are currently forming a clear hidden bearish divergence, and this could be leading towards a significant market correction, because yeah, a bearish divergence is not something that is looking very good for a market, and usually Bitcoin tends to be correcting of such kind of an event. So please be aware, the market, yes, is bouncing a little bit here, but I do think that the major market mover is going to be the news on the Federal Reserve hiking the rates, and I will be talking about that in a second, so make sure to stick till the end of the video, because yes, it will become even more interesting. Furthermore, looking at the 4 hourly time frame, we can clearly see, I've been talking about this several times before, this red box on the top side is the resistance to break, the green box on the lower side is the support to hold, and I do think that we're currently in a range where it is definitely not out of the box, where we could fall down once again back towards that 17 to 18,000 US dollar target. However, I do think the most strongest support to be watching right now here is this clear upward sloping support line right here. You can clearly see we touched this level several times in a row, and right now we are clearly significantly away from this level. However, if we are going to touch this level once again, I will be the one that's going to be accumulating some larger Bitcoin positions at, because I do believe that this is the important support line to watch right now, and this could be a level that is going to be holding us up very, very well. Of course, on the 4 hour time frame, you can also clearly see we are significantly in a downtrend, and it is starting to become more and more exponential as time continues. So please be very careful right now as well. If we're going to be looking at a horizontal range, you can see clearly this level I am currently pointing out here has got also quite a lot of significance. Significant rejection, support, rejection, support. We're traded below it and we're currently retesting it. This is a very big sign of danger in the market, and personally I wouldn't be surprised if this is going to be leading towards another significant correction on the market and send Bitcoin down even further more from here on. So please be aware, this is an important level to be breaking right here. Furthermore, on the 12 hour time frame, I am spotting something extremely important, because yes, if we're looking at the price action on Bitcoin, it looks very, very much like it's history in repeating, just like last time around at the end of May, beginning of June. We had this consolidation phase here where Bitcoin saw a small little fake out on the top side, and this was of course the point everyone thought we were having a breakout, but in fact it was a fake out. We moved down, we saw a significant pump back up, and then at the moment we lost support, we saw a significant movement towards the downside getting created. Right now we're basically seeing something extremely similar happening again. We are in a sideways consolidation phase in the market, and right now we saw that small little fake out on the top side. Everyone started to become very exciting again. We broke below it, and are we once again going to get that significant touch here on the 22.6k and ultimately move down from that point once again? So yeah, this is looking like a very similar move Bitcoin already made at the end of May, but will once again repeat in history. Then furthermore, looking at the daily time frame, I really want to be pointing this out, this very important thing here. So do know, and I've been talking about this several times before, and if you were subscribed on the channel, you were aware about this. So we have been forming a significant RSI uptrend here last time around in this trend. And the moment we broke the RSI uptrend, we saw a significant correction on the market. And let me put up on horizontal, you can clearly see the moment we broke the RSI trend was basically the moment the significant market correction started. Do also notice that currently we have been trading in a significant that RSI uptrend for a while as well. So far, we have not broken the RSI trend here, but as soon as we do break this trend right here, this could be leading towards another significant correction. So yes, I truly hope we're not going to be breaking below it, but as soon as it does happen, I am definitely going to be looking for some potential shorting positions across this market right here. So please be very much aware about this scenario as well. Then looking at the daily time frame, you can clearly also see we're trading below this very key level of support that currently will be flipping into resistance. So if we're going to come back up towards $22,000, do expect that this level is this time not going to be providing support, but it is going to be providing some resistance. Looking at the weekly time frame, we can clearly see what is the big struggle and what is the big level to be breaking right now. And I can clearly say it is the 200 weekly moving average. The 200 weekly moving average is the level to be breaking right now. Well, first of all, provided significant historical support on the market, it is currently providing significant historical resistance. So please do be aware that 22.7k is the level to be breaking on the weekly time frame. If we can close above it on this week, it's going to be beautiful, because then I do think the following weeks are going to be quite bullish for Bitcoin. But as long as we're not breaking above it on the weekly candle close, we are officially not breaking out yes on that weekly time frame. And then later today, in approximately 8 hours after this video is live, we are going to get the Federal Reserve interest rate decision. And it will be very important on what it is going to be here, because currently the expectation is that the interest rates are going to get hiked by 75 basis points. It's going to be very important that Federal Reserve also hike their rates by 75 basis points, because if they're going to be hiking it with more than 75 basis points, it is going to be lead towards a significant market correction, and you could be taking a very good short on that. So let's say they're going to be hiking the rates with 100 basis points. I am definitely going to go with a short. If they're going to do 75 or even less, I am going to go with a long, because I personally think that is going to be bullish for the markets. Because yes, like you can see, it is already forecasted that we're going to have 75 basis points. So the market's already priced it in. So if it does come down to 75 basis points, I don't think the market should be correcting. So if we have maybe a flash crash on that moment, I will be definitely trying to catch up some long positions on this market. This is the way how I am going to be reacting towards the Federal Reserve news later today here. So make sure that you're going to be ready for this as well. Anyways, if you do enjoy the content, smash up the like button, of course, on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you want to be seeing more of this daily content. Next week, I am back home and I will be making better quality videos, because I don't really like to make videos from my laptop. But anyways, I will keep you guys up to date every single day on this channel. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching towards this amazing new update video here on the channel. Make sure to check out this video that's currently popping up above if you want to learn how to copy trade. But anyways, I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.